Hey, this is Bishal Sarkar, and in this video, you're about to discover exactly how you can speak with confidence.
Thanks for this awesome video.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
I'm a man on a mission. I'm a man on a mission. I don't need no permission. I'm a man.
Wow, I learned quite a lot. I could understand, I learned, and I could see the difference.
Alright, Bishal Sarkar here. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon so that the next time a new video is uploaded, you get notified so that you can watch the video and learn and grow your life. And we are talking about exactly how to grow your confidence, because the problem that I see many times is most people, even after they have a lot of years of experience and knowledge, they are spending a lot of time worrying. They are terrified all the time, terrified of speaking, terrified of being judged. And the solution for that, to overcome that fear and to become a confident speaker, is stop worrying about, I'm going to give you two things. Number one, stop worrying about if other people are judging you. And number two, find your calmness within yourself. So for example, if before a presentation you have sweating, you're breaking into sweat and your hands are trembling, these external results are results of your internal turmoil. Make sense? So when you calm yourself from the inside, and there are techniques to do that, and we teach you about that in the mastermind and also in the Confident Speaker Conference, we teach you the techniques and the strategies to calm yourself before a presentation. And then you have to stop thinking that everybody's judging me. Oh, everybody's judging me. And once you do that, things really change for you. So let me give a quick example. There is a lady called Kalpana who came to one of our programs, the Confident Speaker Conference last year. Then she joined the Balanced Life Mastermind. And she used to be terribly afraid of public speaking. She very proudly says, Bishal, I've overcome all these challenges, but yeah, I had a lot of stage fear. And a couple of weeks back, we had a conversation on a mastermind session, a mastermind roundtable call on a video session, and she was talking about that, Bishal, I want to improve my confidence. So we taught her some techniques and we gave her an assignment, and she went to the school. And she's a director of a school. She's the managing director. She's the owner of a school in Bangalore, and she rocked her speech. How did she do it? Because she followed her formula. She calmed herself. She focused on the audience. She stopped being worried about the people judging her, and now she started focusing on really helping the people. And she's a rock star. She's a confident speaker because she really helps herself by overcoming her fear.
First, so definitely I will now fall into that 2% of the population where I will be on the journey. I am on the journey of excitement. I am on the journey of abundance. I am on the journey of fulfilling my dreams. I am on the journey of becoming a very confident person. I think it's beyond comprehension. Thank you, Bishal, for all these challenges, for all these tasks, for all these tasks which is becoming my daily habits. Thank you so much.
That's Kalpana, and imagine right now, if you can take charge of your power, if you can become a confident speaker, can you imagine how much it would change your professional life, your personal life, your financial life? Absolutely, and it's possible when you do decide to come to the Confident Speaker Conference. So the number is given here. If you want to call us and if you want to talk to us exactly, if you qualify to be in our program, we'd love to talk to you. Call us to know if you can join the Confident Speaker Conference. I hope this tip helps you. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. My name is Bishal Sarkar, always reminding you that confidence is not about perfection. It's all about connection.
I'm a man on a mission.